The bathroom is one of the most frequently cleaned areas in the home. Toothpaste, as well as other residue and buildup on countertops and sinks, can really create an unpleasant appearance. Such substances can be removed quickly and efficiently using the 300CS's triangular brush and microfiber towel. Again, wiping removes any additional buildup and water left behind to complete the cleaning process. Like the bathroom countertop, faucets also face buildup from fingerprints and much more. Faucet area detailing can be performed using a seam lance and nylon detail brush. After wiping the area clean, we've restored the faucet's silver finish to like new. Cleaning and disinfecting the shower and the toilet can be more challenging applications. Daimer's CleanJet Pro Plus 300CS makes cleaning soap scum and other buildup a much easier task than manual scrubbing. By using the steam lance and nylon detail brush, users can quickly clean toilets, shower stalls and doors, bathtubs and other areas within the bathroom without having to get dirty. When cleaning the toilet, users want to try to clean these surfaces with minimal contact. Due to bacteria, we suggest the nylon detail brush used for toilet areas should be restricted only for that purpose, and not for other bathroom surfaces or other areas of the house for that matter. You should use separate detail brushes for other areas. We suggest sanitizing the nylon brush with alcohol so it can be reused again for the toilet area.